transfer Armando, get him to Miami, get him to a secure location. We'll debrief him, we'll get his testimony, we'll get some pictures in front of him. But please do it now. These guys are trying to cover their asses and they are not going to stop. Do it for Captain Howard.
The evidence against Captain Howard is overwhelming. If I'm doing this, I'm doing it for you. All right. Let's transfer Aretas. You'll accompany him. Get him to Igloo here in Miami, do a debrief. I'm sticking my neck out, and I'm trusting you. If he turns out to be bullshit, then it's gonna be my ass. So, don't screw me back.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Pican's out now, Sergeant. We'll go get the files and take them to my hospital for safekeeping.
Alright, stay on it. Let me know who got it.
Surrender your firearms, we will be returning you upon touchdown.
What's up, brother? How you doing? How you be? I've been good, man. Mr. Fire Chief.
45 minutes.
I hear you. That's your son over there? How you doing, young man? How you doing? You ever seen your dad dunk before? Your dad was a phenomenal. He's a phenomenal dunker. You ain't never seen him dunk a ball before? Man, he can get up there.
I just dunked in the streams playing with the kids.
He ain't seen you dunk.
Nah, I don't do it like I used to.
Man.
Not like I used to.
I'm trying to apologize. We don't have your blankie, but you can just rest your eyes.
What's been going on, man? You been alright?
That's that shit there. You can do what you feel.
Word, you was
No,
tired.
Rocky.
Yeah, listen.
Hey,
Really?
Right.
Come on back.
other guys are on turnaround. Take a seat. I ain't gonna interrupt the cut.
See, man.
Definitely.
Yes, sir.
Tell your brother I said what's up.
I definitely will.
What's up?
Read the lines.
Eagles, Marshall Flight 724, we have an emergency. A prisoner has escaped custody with the aid of my APD. Lowry and Burdett. There are officers down.
Mayday. They are coming for the cockpit. Repeat. They are hijacking the CH-47. All ground units. Please respond.
Give me Lowry's gun. The stick! Where the hell you learn how to fly? I'm a drug dealer, man. To the right.
Using my gun. How the hell did they get on federal transport? He was a split up. Put my shit together. Save him. I'm not asking you. I'm telling you. We're staying together. Okay, movie.
Tissue. Last door on your right. It's a bathroom, a restaurant.
Who can identify who the hell is doing this? The only way any of us stays alive is if we get them, who we get up. Don't force it. They do us. Damn. That Lowry DNA is a bitch. Y'all some strong motherfuckers. Okay, now look. Everybody on flex. On 3. 1, 2. There you go. Captain Howard. Left us files. That's gonna tell us who's doing this. The word has it. We just have to get back to Miami. You better not slow me down. Where's your folks? You keep up with me or I leave you in the dirt. You're the bravo. Hey, Mike, look, we gotta think about this. I know you wanna move with him, you know, because he's your son. Whoa, don't air quote that. No, I did. I'm just saying, I know why you're trying to protect him, because he's family. Hey, moving the air quotes down to your hips doesn't un-air quote. Just say he's my son. He's your son. No, palms up. It's like you trying to say, oh, he's not really my son. Oh, well, your son's getting away. Okay.
Few men are on some kind of op. You might want to pull us in. Otherwise, it doesn't look good for them. Green! You ID the body? Roger, we got 3 on the counter for you. Lowry, Burnett, and a Ray Thompson.
Motherfuckers! Shit! Alright, listen up! We have 3 suspects armed and dangerous out there. And I want them back. Let's go! Hold on, Judy. 3 suspects? What do you think is happening here? What do you think? Play the audio.
News, Marshal Flight 724, we have an emergency. My prisoner has escaped custody with the aid of my IPD. Lowry and Burnett, there are officers down. Mayday.
Come on, you can't possibly believe Mike and Martins would do this.
No, you said it. Lowry was obsessed with getting his son out of prison.
Slow down, Judy.
This isn't Miami, Sakata. These are my fugitives, and right now the whole world is my jurisdiction.
You've known them your whole life. How can you even suggest?
Do I think that Mike and Mark's planned this? Probably not. But people do things they wouldn't normally do with families involved.
My experience, innocent men don't run.
Can you stop and think?
Are you capable of doing your job? Because I need to move on. They survived.
The fuck you mean?
Nobody's on site. U.S. Marshals are treating this man.
These guys just refuse to die. They're wanted, man. Law enforcement and media are our friends now.
Manhunt for 3 fugitives sending shockwaves all around the world. Are you planning on robbing our fair trade tonight of prison?
Manhunt is currently underway. The FBI is
they should be considered armed and dangerous. These are individuals who have killed fellow law enforcement professionals. If you see something, say something.
Put a bounty on the streets. Get it to every gang in the city and let them fight for it. 5 minutes. Let's go get the motherfuckers. The universe is great, man. Look at this. I bet mom explode when you walk up that this is where you be. You out of jail. We going to jail. Look, this shit is crazy. My God. This ain't anything like this is doing. This is a home express with just
Sponge? Would you like your sponge?
I'm sorry, bro.
Would you like the other one?
See what bad shit happens to anybody I love.
Down.
Starting to connect all got cursed. That's what I hear. They got cursed too. They fucking cursed me. Bad shit happens to anybody. Hey, Mom, I don't know if I told you this, but I died a couple weeks ago. So it is the best thing that ever happened. Just what? Y'all? Y'all the reason I came back. Everybody. Bring it in. Come on, bring it in. Come on. Hey. There you go. Yo, there's some terrible fucking fugitives. So Marcus Winfrey. I'm just trying to make this look soft like we're not doing the run. That boy already chopped those blocks.
Well, what we got here? Hey, Kenny, don't take a look there. What are you boys doing?
Oh,
Are y'all stealing our clothes?
looks like it. Fucking racist. Y'all think just because we black we stealing your shit? Now these are my own black clothes that I put on today for my own black closet. What? How does get in my black closet?
Why don't you boys sing us a little Rita song?
Which that's because he put me on it. Which one? Which one? Sing your favorite.
Oh, she got plenty of them.
She got hit.
Was it the up tempo?
Yeah, remember the one? The slow one. Her guess because she was hurt. Yes.
But I changed and I'm strong.
I'm a woman. I'm a strong black woman. I'm a strong woman.
Because she not black.
Yes,
But
but
what you gonna do? What you gonna do?
I ain't no this.
It's from her mixtape. He's expressive. I definitely loved him. You so that. I made some mistakes.
Now, you know that is not wrong. Now, wait a damn minute, Lamando. He's trying to make up for it. He don't owe you a damn thing.
You just been aggressive.
I've been a dad a long time. He needs to hear this, right? He needs some tough ass love. Come on. Maybe you don't know okay? Your mom being deceived, you being born in prison, and whatever lie that turned your ass into a stone cold fucking killer. Yeah, you killed. But this man, through it all, has been nothing but solid.
That's your shit right there.
Mr. Sam?
I can't broke the truck. My bad.
Take these hers off your neck.
No, it's crazy.
When you get older, it's gonna start growing out your ears. You ever seen hair grow on a person's ears before? Older guys, man. Hair's growing on the side of the ears. Yeah, seriously. They can about 6 foot. 6'2", 6'3". You dunking yet, man?
Can't
You have to work with him. Who the older brother? You have to work with him. But you see, so this is how you do it. You throw him the oop. Y'all throw each other oops. Y'all throw a oop. So you throw it like, you put it like maybe a couple feet before the basket. And you run, you start from the free throw line, and run, do a couple steps, and you toss it up to him, and then you dunk him. And then you do him like that. To work on y'all jumping ability, do calf raises on the end of the stairs. This. 100 every night. 100 on the end of the stairs. Get your calves up. Be dunking in probably about a month. Yeah. No problem. And I'll make sure I send y'all that information for Larry Hughes. Anthony Sam, right? Okay. Nice to meet you, fellas. Okay.
So he's gonna need some organized better. I'm gonna have you lay down and stick out your tongue, and you're gonna stuck in your ass.
I can fuck with that. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah.
No.